Good day. Today's relaxation is going to be a visualization where we imagine ourselves as different animals in the forest. Specifically how they would get around. We walk with our two legs on a path. What are some of these little creatures going to see the big distances in between the rocks as? Like we would see between two hillsides in a mountain in a valley. If that's the case for an ant, how would a bird see the forest? How each tree would seem like a skyscraper or a multi-story apartment complex.